guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cover or delete text in CapCut PC without blur. I'll just use these buttons for the example, but it's basically the same thing. Go to mask, copy and paste your videos first and select the rectangle one, and I'm just going to get a part next to it or somewhat near the text or the thing you want to cover, and just place it on top. You can even feather it out a little bit to blend it a little bit more, but not too much, maybe at best 3%, because you don't want to cover anything else. And it should look like this. As you can see, it's covered. It's not the best and it's not perfect, as you can see. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.